Yep.
Not that part.
Yeah. We all good?
You know, I ain't saying you can show them that, but okay. Let them know. I want to fall out.
My hot dog broke.
Alright, what's up guys? Today we're doing the 350Z quick release install.
Pretty sure you guys see some of the last video. Showed you at the end all the parts that I got. I'm gonna go ahead and give it another summary over and tell you which parts I got. First things first, guys. There's gonna be two things you need to take off here. One on this side and one in here on the other side. It is different bolt. You have to use like a T30. I'll show you guys here in a minute how it looks like. Before we started recording this, we went to two separate stores. First to Walmart, but we couldn't find it. We went to Harbor Freight and found it there. It's be one of these T30 ones. It has to be like open-ended. It's for like security reasons for the 350s that they do. Do this today.
Oh my god. Don't let me cook you right now.
Hey man, hey, don't worry about that. It's gonna get all prepped up before the show. This quick release and short hub in here. We got all the we're gonna need a 19 mil to be able to take off the sensor bolt to remove the wheel. This is basically what you're just gonna need, and then the T screw that y'all saw earlier. And so yeah, let's go right to it. I did get this one, the carbon fiber accent. I really don't know how to explain it, but here's a part number for it if you guys are interested in buying that. I also picked up this the short hub specifically for this car, SRK141H. This should be able to fit directly onto the Z or G35 actually. First things first,
remember, disconnect the battery first, because if that blow up in your face.
Yeah. In case you guys were wondering, we don't really have a garage to work on. I actually have a garage. We converted it into a room. So I mean, like, we basically don't have a garage, so we always do our installations and stuff outside, which we try to do during the day because, you know, obviously at nighttime. Alright guys, we got the battery disconnected. So we're just gonna go ahead and take off these little tabs off. Guys, you can just use your finger. Literally, I'm just gonna use my finger just to nail itself. Look at that, just easy as that. And you can see in there kind of already how it's gonna work out. It has to be open-ended. That's what it's called, the security torque screw, I believe. I'm not too sure why they do this, but I mean, I'm pretty sure it's for security reasons. Obviously it's for like an airbag, so I mean, kind of makes sense. All right, and Dan is getting all the tools set up here. I mean, I'm not gonna need none of this probably because I just brought all the tools with me, but just in case. Thanks, bud. It's actually really tight in there. We're gonna have to try really hard to get this out. Don't know how exactly we're gonna do it. I think we're just gonna use force. All right, we're just gonna use this method. He has a little tool here that you're able to clip onto. Pretty cool. As we finally got it out, it took a huge hassle to take it out. All right, the second one, I'm gonna let Danny go ahead and do it. Ah, sweet.
Round two.
Fight. Alright, and there it is. Alright, so you just go under there and just release that tab basically.
Stick it right in between there.
Right in between there. Lift it up. And you're all set. Center it out.
Oh yeah.
Try to get something to mark it up.
There's actually already a line right there marked on it.
Alright, what we did, we just got a little bit of tape and put like a mark over it, just to, like, see we're centered. I'm pretty sure we're set, but just in case. Double stendo clip! Yeah!
My goddamn double stendo clip.
Yo, that actually worked. Let's try it. Yeah, dude, that was pretty freaking fast. Alright. Just gonna go ahead and give it a couple taps just to make sure everything can come off.
What?
And that's it. Just removing that tab. That's it. Alright.
Hey, look. peanut butter.
Before we put this in, and the hub did come with this extra longer one. I think this was for the horn, I believe. I'm not too sure exactly, but we're gonna go ahead and figure it out in a second. But we're just gonna go ahead and just clip this off, put this one in. It's pretty straightforward. We're just gonna tuck all these wires inside here, inside the hub.
And if you look on these little bolts right here, where it says NRG right here, on one of the little circles is going to have a black dot, and that's the one you put towards the top. And also, you see this little curve right here. You have to line that curve up with this, so just twist this straight 90. And then you feel back here. Make sure that's straight up and down.
Is that good?
Looking good.
Alright, and so we're just gonna go ahead and put this back on. I'm not really sure if you're supposed to torque it down or anything, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just oh, that's loosening. Okay. I'm just gonna do the home torquing method. One more time. Alright, we're good. Alright, along with the hub, it also comes with these resistors for the airbag light so it won't come on. So we're just gonna go ahead and put this in this little pinpoint kind of thing. So I mean, yeah.
Hey.
Alright guys, I just took the quick release out. Comes with this for grounding. So what you want to do is put the wire over this. Go ahead and line it up. This basically is gonna go on the same thing again. It has a little like dot right there. I don't know if you guys can see. It tells you where to line it up. So I mean, it's pretty straightforward as well. You connect this from the quick release into the supply short hub wire. Go ahead and plug that up in there. This one's gonna go ahead and go on the ground. Alright, now I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten everything up with the supplied hardware. Comes with these. Just gonna go ahead and hand tighten these as of right now. I'm just gonna use the Allen wrench that came with it and go ahead and just tighten it up. Oh, we actually have to, we have to shave these down because it won't fit. Alright, so basically we just wired up everything. It was pretty straightforward. We got some female connectors because this horn didn't come with it, but I'm pretty sure whatever steering wheel you get, it'll come with it. But for this Sparco, didn't come with another connector for the female. So thanks to Danny, he gave me one of his. Let's go ahead and try this and give it a shot. Let's plug it in the battery and
Go ahead.
and it works. Alright, now we know that works. Let's go ahead and disconnect it. Oh, my bad, sorry.
Beep.
Is it good? Alright, here we go. The moment we've been all waiting for.
Oh, perfect. It's done. Alright, let's go drive now.
Dang, that's far as hell.
Technically, just for the quick release, you gotta put this whole thing on. But if you wanted to, you could just put the literally this straight to the hub if you still want the short wheel. But
I used to just do this, my fingers. Now I have to go all the way over here. All the way over here. So the horn doesn't fit inside here, so we have to like shave down these little clips right here, so it'll just fit a little bit, somewhat snug in there. So you see it doesn't fit, so I'm just gonna go ahead and shave it down a little bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and shave it down with some scissors. Nothing too crazy. So that's basically on there. We just shaved it down with some scissors, and just go ahead and put this on. Go ahead and put these cookies in here. Just gonna go ahead and hand tighten them at first.
and black to black, red to anything that's not black.
And time to tuck these wires in, because if you ain't tucking, you ain't fucking. Alright, here we go.
Ooh.
That feels awesome.
Alright guys, the last touch. Don't do this crooked. Don't do it.
Chill.
Well, drop it.
Alright. I'll do it for I'm sorry.
Bro.
Did you drop it? Don't drop it.
It is crooked.
Too bad.
No. Chill out.
everything. And what is that, my boys? Stickers, yeah. Alright guys, so that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So far the steering wheel is really cool. I'm hella excited for it. Oh, no! No, but we had a great time making this. I think it looks amazing. Let me know what you guys think. Like I mentioned before, we are going to TSP Slam this weekend. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Hell of a big show. It's going to be over 5,000 vehicles, supposedly it said. I think we're going to end it right here.
Yeah. Well, thanks for watching.
Yeah, thank you guys. Bueno.